Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonrat Ki Sangma Hakan Riu Terik Jemang ula penlong ke jinglet jurip halor ke jing pentrekam jaka kor ke pyniakhlad niut ni ka waste segregation machine harongkon songgital hapoh sor Tura West Garo Hills. Haringkat ke jingadan lang Menteri Ketenat PHE Umar Kiosmarang bat ucerman ke muda uba wailat miki shela. Hadian baladap ban pendaj bat penbit penbiang ya kini ke mesin on pendan kam ya ki kali pu shilum na ke benta ban khat ya ki niut na ke jaka theh niut ha ka ba on sa pyniakhlad ya ki niut ha ki lai benta kata ki niut ki balak ban pen kelas bo ki niut ki bakloy ban kemding bat ki niut ki bomlak ban pen kelas bo ki plastik bat ki wei na kaliang ukon rat ula ong ba ya ki niut ki nyer on sa pyniakhlad leng ba ka jing pendan kam ya ki kor jing start technology bat ki balak ban pen kelas syakas bo na ka benta kathung katep bat syaki wei pat ki mar ki mata nalor kata ulah kedauru bagi niki kor mesin kidei ki baladep ban persyang pentrekam kata da ke ba ainuk saru ha ka bai dei berkejaka theh niut hamarten Shillong bat katin sukia jong ka Assam ngi kermen scam bada ke jing pendan kam ya ke jing start technology ngin lak ban penyat syakmat ya ke ne ke jing mu babha na ke benta ban le ya ki niut ki nyer ki badan haki wei pat ki jaka theh niut haki wei pat ki benta jong ka jela ong uni Menteri Rangba ka jela Syuk ula pentip ru bana kaliang ke sorkar kala betha ya baro ki tenat municipal ha ka jela bakin pentikna halwa ka jingdon kam ya ka jing pyniakhlad ya ki niut ki nyer nadu ki ying ki sem bat ki snong ki thau kenang ban pensuk ya ka rukom lum ya ki niut ki nyer ha ki ne ki sing ki por ke bandangwan ka jinglong jingman jong ka jaka theh niut harongkon songgital kalawan ra ka jing ka bokraw ya ki nong snong ka Tura bat ngi kermen ba maria pentrekam ya ka ne ka project on salak ban weng no ya ki babun ki jing ong usangma da ka baban rap ru ba ya ka ne ka project on sas dang pentrekam no ha ki ne ki khendiat banai ki banwan.
So the problem of legacy waste has been there throughout the state in most of the urban areas, and we have faced a number of challenges. We have tried different technologies to handle this legacy waste. In the whole process we have now come through and working with a technology that has already proven and has been tested, and in many parts of the country this technology is being used where the segregation of the legacy waste is taking place through a selection process. A company was selected, and the same company which is doing the Martin dumping site in Shillong, the same company is going to be doing the one here in Tura, and we expect that we should get good and positive results, because as I said that the same company or organization has done it in locations like Tinsukia. I got a chance to see that particular site, which has now been completely cleaned, and all the legacy waste has gone, and we are hopeful that this process will be successful, and we'll be able to clean up this entire legacy waste out here in Tura, and we'll be able to ensure that not just here, even in other parts of the state, we're hopeful that we'll be able to take this technology and get rid of this legacy waste that has been causing kind of a nuisance and a problem for the people of this locality as well as of Tura town and the other towns as a whole.
So sir, are we only segregating the waste here, or we are trying to make some energy blocks or some kind of...
So we had tried making the energy block last time. That project was not fully successful, and hence this is a completely different technology where we will be segregating the waste into plastic waste and other kinds of waste, and also into compost. And then accordingly the company that is involved here will take this waste and use it or sell it as per the buyers who would want that particular waste. So it's not going to be converted into anything, except it will be segregated, and the company involved will then sell the segregated parts to buyers who would be interested in buying those segregated waste.
So this machine will basically segregate the household waste and the city waste, not the medical waste, right?
So this is basically for the old or the legacy waste that is there.
Okay.
For the new waste that is being generated currently, the system will be developed where we are trying to have the segregation at the locality level itself, and those steps will be other steps. So what we are doing here and this technology that we are using is purely for legacy waste, because legacy waste is different. If you can just pan the camera, you can see how this entire waste is all mixed with the soil and the plastic and the bottles. Everything is mixed, and therefore it is requires a lot of technical aspect to actually to segregate them.